Here's some Shinto trivia. Subscribe. Which deity is considered the sun goddess in Shinto? Is it A. Fujin, B. Amaterasu, C. Raijin, or D. Echiman? The correct answer is B. Amaterasu. What festival celebrates the new year in Shinto? Is it A. Obon, B. Tanabata, C. Shogatsu, or D. Matsuri? The correct answer is C. Shogatsu. What term describes Shinto shrines? Is it A. temple, B. jinja, C. pagoda, or D. altar? The correct answer is jinja. What is the Japanese term for kami? Is it A. jing, B. chuf, C. or D. sensha? The correct answer is C. What is the name of Shinto purification rituals? Is it A. Sento, B. misogi, C. koi, or D. sakura? The correct answer is B. misogi. Which religion influenced the development of Shinto? Is it A. Taoism, B. Buddhism, C. Hinduism, or D. Confucianism? The correct answer is B. Buddhism. What does the term Shinto translate to? Is it A. way of the gods, B. divine tradition, spirit of nature, or D. path of harmony? The correct answer is A. way of the gods. Which festival involves the float procession? Is it A. Diwali, Biuli, C. Oktoberfest, or D. Gion Matsuri? The correct answer is D. Gion Matsuri. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.